Yeah, third time's the charm. Hopefully I don't stumble over words over and over. But today we're going to be showing you guys how to, well, we're going to show you a 4 to 1 multiplexer. It's very important for the stuff we do later. Okay, so here we have a 4 to 1 multiplexer. And we have 6 inputs. We have select 1 and 2, or select 0 and 1, depending on how you want to say it. Then, of course, you have data 0, which is your first input, data 1, which is your second input, data 2, which is your third input, and then data 3, which is your fourth input. What our multiplexer allows us to do is it allows us to select between different data lines. You might see this in like networking or computer, like a CPU or other things, right? Um, yeah, it's pretty cool. So what we can do is we can select between different lines. So currently both 0, 0 for our select 0 and 1. And that selects this first data line, which is data line 0. And so if I wanted to change that, well, if we just change select 0 and give that a high output, or a high input, then we have data 1 selected. And then that goes to our OR gate, and then that gives us our output. And then, of course, we can flip and flop this to change if we're sending 1s or 0s. Right? That's pretty cool stuff, I think. I mean, you know, it's whatever. And then if we wanted to select data 2, we just give our select 1 input a high signal. And then, of course, now we have a data 2 selected, and oh, we're sending all sorts of bits of data. Oh, what's that say? It says your mom gay. That's crazy. And then we switch this, of course, to both high for select 1 and 0. And then that's our data 3 input, or our data 3 line. And, of course, if we, you know, flip this switch back and forth, we can see, you know, how it's working. It's pretty cool. Now, if we come over here, we have the component level of the 4 to 1 multiplexer. And, yeah, diode transistor logic, once again, you know, to keep with the theme of whatever I've been doing. And so, you can see that, well, let's just switch these back. What happens when I flip the data 0 line, right? To a high. Oh, we get a high output. It's crazy, because we currently have S of 1 and S0 selected, or have a low input. And so, you know, you see, right here, look at that. The coolest thing. And then, of course, we can select our data 1 line, select our data 2 line. You can see I'm flipping back and forth between the high and low inputs. And then, of course, we have our data 3 line. And there you go. That's basically it for your 4 to 1 multiplexer. Like I said, a very important circuit that you'll see used all over the place, especially in some of the stuff we get into later. And I think that's pretty cool.